When Apple launched the iPhone 7, it shocked everyone by removing the headphone jack. Instead, it came in with AirPods with Lightning connector. But people who had good quality headphones with 3.5mm audio jack were left clueless. To solve this, Apple provided a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. But what if you lose it and this tiny little adapter is not cheap? So we've come up with a cheap alternative and see if it's really better than the Apple ones. This is Anish Match and you're watching Tech on 360. Let's find out. We're talking about the audio splitter from company named Baseus. This device is different from the stock Apple Liper Adapter because it has hardware buttons for volume up and down and play pause. It also has a decoding chip inbuilt which delivers a dynamic range of 93 decibels. Now opening up the package, the first thing inside the box is the device itself, and if you go further you get the documentation, which are the warranty card and the user manual, both of which comes in English and Chinese languages. You can also refer the user manual for actions performed by the buttons and frequency response of the adapter. Now taking a look at the adapter, it's a really nice rubbery finished product and the keys are very tactile and of good quality. The product is made of good rubberized material and the build quality feels excellent. If you do a size comparison with the original Apple Liper Adapter, it's long and more durable. You have 3 buttons on the bottom, the volume up and down and the play pause in the center. If you press the center key twice, you go to the next track, and if you press 3 times, you go backward. But the downside of this adapter is that it only supports music playback and not telephonic conversation, meaning you cannot use this for calling functions. When we tested the sound quality, we found that the Baseus audio splitter gave good low sounds than the Apple Liper Adapter, though the Apple adapter were much louder. Finally, we've come to this conclusion that this product can be a good alternative for the Apple stock adapter. With better sound quality than the Apple adapter and half the price, this is a good buy. The only letdown was the lack of calling function, but music lovers like me would love its music output, especially the low ones. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions and queries, do leave them in the comment section below. This is Anish Math signing off for Tech on 360. I'll see you in the next video.